Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So currently I'm trading gold. As you already know, lately I've been focusing on gold, and I just took a sell trade right now, and right now it's going in my direction. Okay, I have some solid levels at the lower parts of the charts where I'm looking to take buy trades, but for now I'm currently in a sell trade. Okay, and I'm selling from these points, selling from this region. I actually placed a pending order. This sell limit was a pending order, so price moved up, triggered the pending order, and now it's moving in my direction. But you can see there is a little bit of a struggle. There's a little bit of a struggle around here, and I would like to explain what the struggle is all about. Okay, you need to learn how to think like a market maker. If you check this region, you would notice that there is a bullish fair value gap here. Okay, but this is a trap. All right, this is a trap for traders that do not know that a solid sell level is up here. Can you see the way the market traps you and tricks you into taking trades from wrong positions? Okay, so there is a bullish fair value gap here. Traders that love trading fair value gaps would have entered a buy trade from here. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see the gap very well. Can you see the gap? So there is a space here between this and this. Okay, the wick of this candle did not intersect with the wick of this red candle right here, so a lot of fair value gap traders could take a buy trade from here, expecting the market to go up. And the funny thing is, when market got into that gap, you would notice that a bullish fair value gap formed. A bullish candle formed. Now this bullish candle would give those that entered a buy trade from this fair value gap, it's going to give them more confidence. They might even add more trades. Now, if they add more trades and they took the trade from this fair value gap, where do you think their stop loss will be? If you take a trade from this fair value gap right here, where do you think your stop loss will be? You definitely put your stop loss somewhere below this region. Okay, put your stop loss somewhere here because you're taking the trade from here. Now, price moved upwards as though it was going to go up, only tapping into this solid sell zone that I have here. This solid sell zone up here, it tapped into it. Those that are holding their fair value gap trades and refuse to quickly close, markets moved down to take their stop losses. Okay, that's exactly what is playing out here. All right, when I entered the trade here, when my trade got triggered here, price moved upwards, putting me in a little bit of a drawdown. Now I am going to be in drawdown, but those that later took their trade from this value gap, they would see profits. As the market is moving up like this, they will see a little bit of profits, thinking they took the right decision. They might even add more trades. So you need to think like a market maker. I already knew that their stop losses is going to get taken out. Okay, I used to trade like them before, but I have better understanding of the market now. I know exactly where the right zones are. Okay, like I said, you can learn from me if you want. It's optional. If you know you want to upgrade your trading skill. I am not perfect, but I have some experience. So the little experience you can get from me, come and get it, apply it to the market and see the difference for yourself. Okay, so that's just how it is. Right now, price is moving in my direction. This is an $100 account that I'm trying to push up. So right now I have 126 on my equity. Okay, so I have 126 on my equity. It's moving to 2.6. Let's see. So moving close to my TP is right here. Okay, so the TP for this particular trade, this is where I placed it. I placed the TP right here. So this is my TP right here. I'm expecting price to at least get here, but I think I might adjust it because this breaker might hold. This breaker might push price up. There's a breaker right here. Okay, so I might just adjust it a little, to go above this breaker. So I'll be very certain that price is gonna hit the tip. If I leave it here, this breaker might decide to push price up That's a possibility. Okay, and you can see I placed it around the middle of the breaker, so it can just touch this top part of the breaker, okay, and push up. Okay, so I'm going to adjust my TP a little bit. I'll adjust it a little bit to ensure that if that breaker is going to hold, at least I would have gotten out of the trade before the breaker reverses it. It can also disrespect the breaker, so these are possibilities, but you need to look at market from every possible angle. That's what makes you an experienced trader. Okay, so basically, if you have any question, you can just ask me in the comment section, you know. And if you're a new viewer, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.